Hello, I'm Christopher Kenworthy, a video editor and effects artist, and I'm going to show you how to use camera mapping to put movement into a still frame. So we start here with a 16:9 composition. It's good to use an image that's larger than your frame size. First of all, we name the layer background, duplicate it, and then name the next layer foreground. Then we're going to make those both 3D and add a new camera. You're now set up, ready to go. Make the background layer invisible so that you can make some adjustments to the foreground. First of all, we're going to draw a mask around the visible foreground, so it doesn't have to be a very accurate mask. You can see here I'm still getting parts of the ocean there, but really I'm just trying to separate the foreground from the background. Now adjust the X orientation to about -30 so that it seems to be sloping towards the camera. And then I've feathered the mask a little, about 40, just softens that edge. And also move the position to about -70 or 80 so that it's slightly closer to the camera. It's not essential, it just helps exaggerate the effect. Now make the background visible. And this time you're going to want to move the background far away. So move that to, I'm going for about 380 there. But then you want to make it look the same size as it did before. So increase the scale to about 125, just adjusting the position there so that it sits where it was previously. Now use the unified camera tool to move the camera, and you can see how you've created an artificial parallax there. The foreground moves in a different way, in a different speed to the background. That's the essential effect you're creating. So set that in that position. Then keyframe your point of interest and position. Go to the end of the comp. Use the unified camera tool to select your final position. And that will keyframe automatically. And then render. If you have multiple levels of distance, objects in the near foreground and objects in the middle distance, you can mask them separately and position them to create different effects.